Shako Mako, everyone, welcome back to another video. First video in 2022 is going to be really special because today we're going to do a comparison between the Sony A7 III with the Sigma 24 to 70 2.8 and the Sony NX5N with the 50mm 1.8 and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's see if you can spot the difference. So early this year I wanted to change my profile picture, so I did a really cool shoot with the Sony A7 III with the Sigma 24 to 70 2.8, and the result was fantastic. So the challenge today is to replicate this results or the same picture with the Sony NX5N with the 50mm 1.8, which is, they're both, you can get them for like $300. So we're comparing almost $3,000 versus $300, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max, which is, it's pretty decent, but it's not a DSLR or a mirrorless camera. So let's see if it can catch up with these two. Picture idea is, I was dressing like this, which is, the idea is to smoke my pipe, light it up, and try to capture the fire while it's lit and with a little bit of smoke. Let's see if I can do that with any NX5N. So of course I'm using the speed light, the Ultra, the one I have. It costs like 60 bucks. And I'm also using my Godex AD600, which is, it's around like 500. This is for my main flash. And I'm using the YN216 to backlit myself and separate from the background. And the idea is to shoot it in the dark. So we're gonna test the low light capability for both the NX5N and the iPhone. Of course, I'm gonna be lit, so we'll see how the quality looks. For now, I'm gonna have to turn my main light off. I'm using this small remote control to control the Sony. It only have like a shot, instant shot, and 2 seconds. It's the Opteka. It's made for Sony. Fortunately, NEX can be connected to the phone or the remote app on my PC, so I don't see what I'm shooting, so I'm gonna have to go and check it every now and then. So first, let's take a test shot. So after making the right adjustment, put the remote on the ground, and I'm taking pictures with my feet because both hands are, it's gonna be busy. Let's try to take the picture. Now we're gonna try to take the same picture with an iPhone. Of course, we're gonna have to change the lighting because flash doesn't work with iPhone. So let me try to figure out how to do that. And after adjusting the iPhone to the same frame, same settings, adjusted some lights. Of course, I'm gonna have to use some continuous LED lights because flash doesn't work with speed lights or strobe lights. And for remotes, I'm gonna be using this tiny remote, which I don't know how I got it. It's probably came up with a case or something. But same thing, I'm gonna put it on the floor, click with my feet, and try to capture. And now, my friends, I'm gonna be showing you the pictures. Let's see if you can tell the difference and if it's possible to get great pictures with an iPhone or a cheaper camera, or it's only possible with a high-end cameras and lenses. So as you can see, guys, it's not impossible to get great pictures with an iPhone if you get the right lights. So understanding lighting, it's way more important than paying for very expensive lenses and cameras. Of course, it's still not gonna compare to a DSLR or mirrorless lens, but it's still pretty damn good. So invest in learning how to use lights, LED lights, flashlights, and of course, as you can see, a very cheap camera can compare to a really good DSLR and lens if you know how to use flashlight. So maybe make your goal for 2022 is to learn how to light, because it's really, really important. It's the difference between getting really bad shot or a great shot, regardless of your gear. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. If you want to see a new segment of cell phone photography, maybe we can do that. Leave it in the comment. Thank you guys for watching. See you next one.